Hello, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey. We're going to do a quick morning tutorial this morning. So I hope you're doing great. Let's hop in and let's do something fun. Alright, so it is midweek. Do you have things going on? Exciting plans? Just working from home here, trying to decide whether to let the kids go back to school or not. Like my heart says yes, absolutely we should do that. And then, and then my mind's like, yeah, it's probably not a smart decision. So trying to make those decisions. We already did the VDL Eliminator Primer. This stuff is super cool. You just push down, pick it up, and you can already see we have a little bit of a glow going on. All right, so then we're going to go in with Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha, which is a great concealer. It's 24-hour wear. It's going to give you that under eye coverage that you need to cover up those dark circles. Of course, if you're treating it with a good skincare, that helps too. We're going to cover some of this redness. I think I'm going to have to bring in the big guns and get my mint, what's it called? Mint primer out. Because this summer sun in Texas is bringing on a little bit more redness than we like. That's okay. All right, so I'm taking my ring finger now and I'm just gently patting that in. Not doing it too hard, just gentle. And then I'm going to take my Magix Dust loose powder, and it's a setting powder, but I'm just going to do a little, like a mini bake. I'm tapping it into the lid, and I'm going to take actually a foundation brush and just pick a tad bit up here, and I'm just going to tap it under. Not really thick. I'm just doing a lot. Just a little light touch there. Okay, so let's go in with our foundation now. Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. Hi Ray, hope you're doing great today. You got big plans? Are you letting your kids go back to school? Those are my thoughts this morning. That's where my thoughts have been. Okay, so I put that foundation on my hand, and I'm going to go in with my wet beauty blender, and we're going to blend. I'm not touching those under eye areas because we don't want to disturb that we put down there. The other good thing about doing a little mini dust under your eyes is you're not going to have as much trouble getting your fallout cleaned up from your eyeshadow. So it's kind of a win-win, right? Can't go wrong there. So we're just gently blending that into the skin. As your face heats up, it's gonna just welcome that nourishing, moisturizing Cashmere Complexion in, and it's gonna feel great. Okay. I'm fine until I go live. I don't know what the deal is, why my throat is all croaky. Okay, so we've got that done. Let's go in now with some Tattoo Station for these brows and go ahead and get those set in place before we add our eyeshadow. Just brushing up with that spindle. This stuff stays in place forever. You almost have to like really aggressively work it off in the afternoons or at night when you're taking your makeup off. So that is a win. And I'm just staying in the lines of my brows here. Not drawing in any extra. I'm not going caterpillar brows on you. I'm just filling them in where they may be sparse. Did you know that the eyebrows are the frame of your face? So, you know, you wouldn't hang a picture on the wall without a frame, right? Well, that's why we fill in our brows, because it is the frame to our face. And I've seen them where they almost draw in like a unibrow. Or they've got, looks like caterpillars on their eyes. That's not my jam. That's what you're looking for. You are totally not going to find that here. That's okay. We're just doing the natural, I guess, mom look. How about that? The mom look. All right, so after I fill those in, I'm taking my spindle again, and I'm just brushing up just to kind of help blend that and set in place. Okay, so remember we have that Magix dust already setting under our eyes. So I'm going to take it again, dump it in, and we're going to swirl it on. Ready? Here we go. Ooh. Just doing circular motions. Now this is a setting powder. So what a good setting powder is going to do is it's going to set your makeup in place. You're going to be ready to go for the day and not have a bunch of melting off makeup. Nobody wants melting off makeup. Even in the Texas heat, we don't want it. All right, so let's do some Monopop and Mood Corals to lift our mood today. We want a little lifty. So I'm gonna go here. Does makeup lift your mood? I had a friend tell me the other day, you work from home. I have no idea why you do your makeup every day. I'm like, because it makes me feel better. And in a time where the world is crazy and you can't hardly leave your house, why not do something that lifts you up, makes you feel better? Okay, so I went in with those two lighter shades and we covered the entire lid of the eye. Now we're going to pick up something and go on the creases. I'm going to do those two corals, and then I did just a touch of that brown. This palette is very pigmented. Very, very pigmented. So it just takes a touch, and you're going to pick up some pretty colors. So then I'm working on that crease bone, and I'm just working it back and forth. There we go. Woo! Girl, you are coral today. It's okay. We'll blend it in with a little bit more neutral. I went a little lighter on this hand, and you can tell in my blending that it's not quite. There we go. Okay. I could even blend this one out just a little bit more if I wanted to. All right, let's go now in, and we're going to pick up a little bit more of those two browns on the bottom, and we are going to blend into that crease. Just kind of bringing it all together, giving you like a sunrise look. What do you think? I'm digging this. I'm digging a little sunrise look. Why not? It lifts us up. Okay, girl, those eyes though, woo! We're gonna pull a little bit more glimmer to this just to give us a little bit more hype. So we're gonna go with a glimmer shadow in the shade Fool's Gold, and let me show you how I apply this. You can do this a couple of different ways. I am a believer in the brush. So I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put it on my hand. You can use the actual wand if you'd like, but it's not really my jam. And then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to just kind of pat it on here. Just adding a little extra shimmer to the eye. I guess this would be more of a glam look. If you wanted to go thicker, you could definitely apply directly to it and then maybe do it with your finger. Totally an option. Not what we're going for today though. Okay, let me close my eyes and let you see the difference. Shimmer? No shimmer. What do you think? We're going with shimmer because we've already done it on one eye. It would be weird to not do it on both. Okay, so here's our other side. Just patting it on there gently. The cool thing about this glimmer shadow is it doesn't crease It lasts all day and it's not going to have any fallout onto your face. So I love that. Okay, great. Now we're going to use some liquid liner to line these eyes out and make these eyes pop. It has this cool little tip, makes it so much easier. Be afraid. Love that song. All right, so our eyes are lined. This one, it looks like, there we go. We needed to fill that in just a little bit. So our eyes are glam, ready to go. Let's curl those lashes and give them just a little curl up. And then I'm going to show you my new secret weapon. Love waterproof mascara. This stuff, so fun. It has this great curling wand. I'm going to go down just a little bit on the top, and then we're going to lift it up. It's made with vitamin E oil, and it has these little heart-shaped fibers that are absolutely amazing. They attach to your lashes and give you length, give you volume. What do you think? I love it. Going down and then back up. Lift them up using that curl on that wand. I can't even get my words out this morning. For 1,000 years. I've noticed that my lashes are not growing like they used to. And so the other benefit to this is there is an added conditioner and moisturizer in this Love mascara that's going to also condition your lashes. Woo, girl. Yes. Okay. Now, we have a new Love collection that's going to help give us a little extra glam to this look. So I'm going to start with our bronzer. It's the Sunflower bronzer, and I'm just going to pick a little bit up. This thing is huge. You can use it all over your body. And if you get too much, you can just tap it out. Ooh, girl. Okay. We're going to go underneath to kind of line those cheeks out, and then we're going to blend them in. Going on that chin area, and just a little bit on kind of the places that the sun hits your face is where you're going. So you can take that pad then and just kind of gently blend. You can also use like a beauty blender, or you could even blend with your fingers on this. I'm just going back and forth, just patting it in. It's a little bit more well-defined on the right than the left, so let's go a little bit more over here and even this up. Okay, now we're going to add in, are you ready for this? Queen Carnation. Yes, Queen. We are going Queen. Beautiful blush. If I can get it open, you just pull it back, pop, it's gonna open. pick up just a little bit of your color. And here we go. We're just gonna tap it in. Right above that bronzer line. Stay with me, it's gonna work. Stay with me. Stay with me, don't give up on me yet. Here we go. I'm gonna take that beauty blender and we're just gonna blend those two in kind of together. That pink carnation is bold. Yes. Okay, let's finish it off. We're gonna finish those cheeks off with a great highlighter. This is the lighter of 2 shades, which is Fairy Dahlia. We're gonna give ourselves just a little highlight. There we go. A little down the nose, a little in the Cupid's bow, a little right here on the forehead. Just a little extra glow. Yes, yes. Okay, let's do a birthday balm on these lips. Favorite shade is Surprise, so let's do that. We have a finished look. What do we think? I think we're ready for the day. Got a little glam. Gotta fix the hair a little bit more, but yeah, I think we're good. Okay, well, I hope this was enjoyable for you. I hope you learned some things that were helpful. If you're interested in any of the products, let me know. I'll definitely help you match colors and help you get fixed up with the shade that is perfect for you. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for getting ready with me. Bye.